Are you struggling to find your next favorite book, movie, or song? Well, let's see if ChatGPT can become a recommendation master. So firstly, let's look at books. Recommend 5 books for fans of science fiction. So here we've got 5 books with a little bit of a breakdown description about the books. So if you weren't interested in any of these, you could specify, can you give me 3 more that came out in the past 5 years. You might have already done a lot of reading back in the day and you're looking for something new to check out. Now what's happening here is ChatGPT's memory only goes back to October 2023. So it's going to be obviously giving you suggestions a little bit older than that. So you can put here, search the internet to find the 3 most popular new books. Now chat's going to go off and do its searching thing. So it's just searched more information about those books. Search for the most popular books of 2024. So that's going to do its thing, and it should be hopefully new in 2024. There we go. Okay. So now you've got a list of 2024's most popular books. Alrighty, now, can you suggest books about overcoming adversity? Let's see what we get there. Here are several books that explore the theme of overcoming adversity, each offering powerful stories of resilience, determination, and personal growth. Fantastic. I would actually probably say they would all be quite worth a read. So now let's move into movies. Recommend 3 feel-good movies for a relaxing evening. We're going old school feel-goods. Very nice. So what are the best action movies of the last decade? Now you might want to put here, search, well you could just click the search function. I'm so used to just using chat itself to search. I always forget to turn this off while I'm working and then I end up with a whole bunch of bits and pieces. We'll turn that one off. Has it got anything newer than 2023? No. Mad Max, John Wick, Furious 7, Top Gun Maverick, Mission Impossible. Fantastic. So now if we want some music, we're doing a workout, we want some suggest songs for a workout playlist. Actually, that's just reminded me of another video idea. There is a plugin that you can download or use through ChatGPT, and it will actually create a playlist for you, and then you can upload that playlist directly into Spotify. So I'll do that separately in a different video. There's a bit of a playlist there. Now, you've done your workout, you want to relax, so can you recommend some relaxing jazz music? Fantastic. Alrighty, so back to books. We just want to see if it can personalize the books and break them down. So recommend books similar to June or The Martian. If you enjoyed June by Frank Herbert, Martian by Andy Weir. So there we go, great list of other books you can read. Now let's see if we can dig a bit deeper into the movies. What are some underrated indie films from the 2000s? Now, I'm not going to know any of these, but I'm sure they are great and well worth a watch. Fantastic. Alright guys, I might leave it there. I just wanted to show you the different prompts you can use, the different ways you can use ChatGPT to help recommend books, music, movies. It's very handy, very easy to do. So thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this one, please hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Thanks again. Have a good one.